Scientists for a long time have tested animals on medicines, makeup, lotion, body wash, etc. This has been a concern for many years and to come. We should not test on animals because lots of the time they aren't accurate with tests, it hurts innocent animals, and there are different alternative sources. Lots of times animal tests are not accurate. Animal experimenters want us to believe that if they gave up their archaic habit, sick children, and other disease, accident victims would drop dead in droves. But the most significant trend in modern research in recent years had been recognition that animals rarely serve good models for the human body. Animal testing hurts innocent animals. Studies published in previous medical journals have shown time and time again that animal experimenters were often wasting lives, both animal and human, and precious resources by infecting animals with diseases that would normally never work contract. Formerly, a wealth of cutting-edge non-animal research method promises a brighter future for both animal and human health. There are different alternatives. Fortunately, a wealth-cutting non-animal research method promises a brighter future for both animal and human health. The following statement is from a tester from the FDA. The fact is, we already do test new drugs on people. No matter how many animal tests are undertaken, someone will always be the first human to be tested on. Because animal tests are so unreliable, they make those human trials all more risky. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has noted that 92% of all drugs that are shown to be safe and effective in animal tests fail in human trials because they don't work or are dangerous. And the small percentage that are approved for human use, half are relabeled because the human side effects were not identified in animal tests.
Objectives against animal testing have been present virtually throughout the history of animal testing. However, as more companies emerged throughout the mid to late 19th century, the number of animals used in tests increased along with the number of tests themselves. The positives of animal testing outweigh the negatives because human harm is reduced and it is helpful with veterinary medicine testing. Animal testing is positive because it reduces human harm. Animal testing is considered vital for improving human health, and it is also why the scientific community and many members of the public support its use. Another important aspect to note is that animal testing helps to ensure the safety of drugs and many other substances humans use or are exposed to regularly. According to the article, Using Animals for Testing, Pros vs. Cons, about animal testing, by Ian Murnahan, if drugs were not tested by animals, humans could die from the effect of them. Another positive of animal testing is that it is helpful with veterinary testing. What is often overlooked in this debate is the subject of veterinary medicine. It is in the interests of animals themselves that experiments be done on them to test medicines and surgical procedures. Because animal testing helps veterinary medicine testing and reduces human harms, it is a good thing to do. People could be dying if it wasn't for animal testing. What side do you choose?
This is why we should not test on animals. Lots of the time, they aren't accurate with tests, it hurts innocent animals, and there are different alternative sources. Animals are dying. They need your help. What will you choose?